Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial, and in today's tutorial I'm going to show you guys how to adjust the mouse speed on your Chromebook. So if you wanted to refresh on the page a little bit quicker, or perhaps you want to slow it down a little bit, maybe it's for some reason it's a little bit too active for your device, well, in today's tutorial I'm going to show you guys how to do just that. So we're going to start off by opening up the clock. Bottom right corner of the taskbar, go ahead and left click on that. Now you want to left click on the settings button, go ahead and left click on that. On the top left, select the main menu button, 3 horizontal lines, and now select device. Underneath device, select mouse, and now you see there's a mouse speed option, so if you want to make it slower you can drag it to the left, or if you want to make it faster you can move it to the right. So you can definitely see just by moving it around, if we go down to slow, it certainly slows it down, I will say quite noticeably. So definitely you can adjust it however you feel is best for you guys. So pretty straightforward process. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.